Hello everyone, welcome back to Biology with me Trang. And today we will learn about cell division. And you know, every cell has cell cycle. It's when the cell grows and prepares for division and divides into new daughter cells. Eukaryotic cell enter the cell cycle and divide by mitosis or meiosis. Mitosis or meiosis. In comparisons, prokaryotic cells replicate by binary fission. Here, this is binary fission. And viruses do not undergo cell division as they are not a living thing. Viruses replicate inside of the host cell. They invade by injecting their nucleic acid into the cell to replicate the virus particle. To the cell cycle in the eukaryotic cells, this includes all stages to create a new cell. So the first step is interphase here. That is made up of what we call Z1 and Z2. Then we have the nuclear division. That is either mitosis or meiosis. And finally is cytokinesis, which is when the cell cytoplasm splits. So on this diagram, you can see that most of the cell cycle is interphase, and it is about 90% or longer of the cell cycle. Starting here at Z1, all the way around to S to Z2 is interphase. This section here in white, which is labeled M, so it's either mitosis or meiosis, or that could be called nuclear division, and then cytokinesis. This very quick stage here indicated the cell part when the cytoplasm splits and you then have two new cells. So the Z1 phase is when all of the organelles in the cell will double and the cell itself will grow in size. This is in preparation for when the cell does split. The new cell will be big enough and both of those new cells will have their own portion of each organelle. S3 is when DNA replication happens, and then Z2 is there's still some more growth, but also is an error checking stage. So in Z2, the DNA that has been replicated is checked for any potential mutations, and if a mutation is detected, then the cell is destroyed at that stage to prevent potential harm.